take you guys with me on what a normal day is for me as a second-year accountancy student and a football player. So it's now 6:31 and I'm gonna go get dressed and then we're gonna make breakfast. It's 6:54. We're gonna go to school now. I just parked at 712. Hey guys, so I'm in my first class. These are my friends.
Number 4.
My 11:30 to 12:30 and my 1 to 4 class just got cancelled today. So I'm gonna go back home, probably get some lunch and study. So we're gonna go get some lunch now and have some floor time first with my dogs. Focus. Hey guys, so it's already 6:21. I should have left earlier, but I was doing my hair. So we're gonna go head to training right now. So it's 6:33 and I just got to school. I just parked. So here we're just stretching before we do our 5 laps. Then we moved on to some first touch drills, shooting drills, some short 1v1s, and a game afterwards. I want to eat. So after the game, I just had to do a sprint back and forth and some cool down stretching. It's 9:14 and we just finished training. I'm with Coach Nacho.
Yo.
And Patrick. Time for dinner. I'm really hungry. It's 11:39. I just got home. 12:28. I just finished my shower and packing my stuff for tomorrow. And now I'm gonna head to bed. So yeah, that's it. Good night and I'll see you guys around.